Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of zebra and also some facts about zebras. Before that, do subscribe for our channel for get more videos like this. Now we go. Number 1. Our planet is home to 3 different species of zebras. Those are plain zebra, Grevy's zebra and mountain zebra. These are native to Africa. Number 2. The most common species is plain zebra. Number 3. Zebra's most famous features in their brilliant black and white striped coat, of course. Number 4. Zebra stripes are served to dazzle and confuse predators and biting insects or to control the animal's body heat. Number 5. Each individual stripes are unique, so it's helping zebras to recognize one another. Number 6. These cool creatures are herbivores and they spend most of their day eating grass and sometimes leaves, shrubs, twigs and barks too. Number 7. Zebras are constantly on the move for fresh grass to eat and water to drink. Number 8. Zebras are social animals and live together in large groups that called herds. Number 9. Zebras are as elegant and peaceful as they are. Don't be fooled. Number 10. Zebras can be aggressive animals too. Their powerful kicks are strong enough to cause serious damage and sometimes even kill. Number 11. Their fierce fighting skill and strong social bond help to protect them from predators, which includes lion, leopard, hyenas, and cheetahs. Number 12. Zebra is a wild mammal. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of zebra and facts about zebras. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel for get more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.